You're in the big leagues now. We're talking about people going to life imprisonment here or the death penalty. This is what happens in this room. Buckle up. You're going to be held accountable.
I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
This is my,
Yeah, you have that. I don't remember getting this, but because I do something pretty quickly with this. No, that's not good. I mean, that's really bad. Plus THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, tested positive for 3 different things.
this drug patch. These are drug patches.
They didn't talk to you about this? They didn't tell you this? This is, it says it was reported on July 23rd, a couple of weeks ago, but
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing it, but it's highlighted in here. I mean, that's serious. This is real serious. This is about as serious as it gets.
Yeah.
I've
I've been working with him.
I'm sorry.
He's just got a job.
I'm sorry, but he's got to pay for the mistake.
I understand.
Okay,
But
all right.
we've not been privy to that.
I just noticed it myself. I don't know why it was sitting in there that long, but it's going to get dealt with. We got to deal with it. First thing he's going to have to do is we're going to test him right now,
Okay.
but still, that's a problem because I don't know what else we can do. We got him on a drug patch. I don't know what more we can do. You test positive and you go there in there.
Okay. Thanks.
Anyway, have a seat. Got to deal with this. We call 24 CR 2385, the state of Texas versus Leon Goodman III, who did well today. What happened on all this other stuff, though? Did you see this?
I just saw it today for the first time. May I speak, Your Honor? Your Honor, I met Leon about early May. He was in my neighborhood. He lived near me, and he did some work. And his test results show he's clean. We're asking
Not
that,
these.
huh? Not those, but
This is
that's,
June 24th.
but today
I know.
he tested
But,
and he's clean.
yeah, but he was supposed to be clean before he got tested positive.
I understand that, Your Honor. But
Do you understand? Do you understand that you're not supposed to be using drugs? That's a condition of your bond. Huh? What did he say?
He said no one told him that.
Yeah, they do.
that
But nonetheless, they don't have to tell you using meth is wrong and a crime or cocaine. Sir, come on. You're in the big leagues now. We're talking about people going to life imprisonment here or the death penalty. This is what happens in this room. Well,
Your Honor,
buckle up. You're going to be held accountable. You understand? You're going to be held accountable for your actions, just like I would be. He would be. We all are.
Your Honor,
We make foolish choices.
he's willing to take tests every week.
Well, he doesn't have a choice if he's willing. Or
Well,
not. If I
I understand.
he's going to have to do it.
I understand that.
But
But what I'm asking right now,
how do we withdraw this stuff? How do we undo this?
because he's clean now.
What? No, it's.
I don't
I
know
know.
about the patch, Your Honor.
Hold on. You're saying this like, just let me out. I'll never commit
That's-
another crime again. And I make a promise.
No,
That's not what
Judge,
this.
that's
It's
not
got to
what
be
I'm
more
saying.
than that. It's got to be more than this.
I don't know what all was involved in it. I don't know about the patch. I know there have been bad patches before. And that's all I'm asking.
Okay. What's that saying?
Judge, since he's clean today, we just put a 0 tolerance on him, make sure that we go test him regularly for a little while, make sure that he stays clean. I think he's still got the patch on him. We'll see how the patches test out. He's currently on.
May I ask that we either do something with a new patch but he's willing to come in each week to have drug tests. We'll go to probation. Let him go to probation.
No, we're gonna do what we do with everybody else. He's not gonna be treated any differently. He's gonna be treated like everybody else. And we change out the patches.
That's fine.
We're not gonna make special arrangements. You treat it like everybody else because it's been working fine. Method works fine.
Well, I'm just a little concerned. I've heard about bad patches and this,
When you get me some medical science on that, let me know.
okay,
I know what I hear, but
okay,
I hear a lot
I understand.
that we throw out the back window because it makes a good story.
I understand, John.
But
We both
we're
are.
talking about science here.
Yes.
Yeah, it was indicted in December though. See, how can it be the first setting? What happened? I mean, this is 7 months down the road. We're 8 months. We're in the 8th month of this.
I came in June.
But there were other attorneys before you.
Uh,
Apparently, Langston was in there. So
Well, I'm just saying, this was my first setting, John.
but we're 8 months into this, so we just don't change lawyers and start from scratch again. How much time do you need?
Give it 30 days.
No, you got 6 weeks.
That's fine.
He may have some information for you that you need to put in your file.
I'll find
Get a
out.
resetting.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
You were Mr. Justice.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you were charged with assault, bodily injury. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We were going to do probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor. On October 8th, 2024, officers were dispatched to an assault call at an apartment complex in Harris County, Texas. The officer made contact with the complainant, who stated that the defendant, her daughter's friend, struck her in the face. The complainant stated that the defendant contacted her daughter the day before on October 7th, 2024, in reference to a pair of pants he left at the residence about a year ago. The complainant stated that the defendant was told that they no longer had those jeans. The complainant stated that she posted a different pair of jeans for sale on Instagram, and the defendant contacted her stating that he was going to her residence to get the pants. The complainant stated that when the defendant was arrived, he was confronted by her mother to leave several times. The defendant moved his arms back and struck the complainant using his right hand, the left side of her face, causing her cheek to become swollen. The officer observed a light redness to the complainant's face. The complainant identified the defendant by his name and date of birth.
Mr. Justice, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this person and not to go back to where they live. Do you understand? If I find that you violate this, if you become a danger to my community, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
You're in the same like social club group.
Okay, I'm not going to talk to you about this case. What I can do is I can give you a lawyer and you can talk to the lawyer, but I don't want you to have contact with this person. I don't want you to have words. I don't want something to happen where if I find that you're a danger to my community, I only have one place for you. You understand?
Well, here's my thoughts, Mr. Mays. You're not going home today. That's not happening. You're not going to walk out of here today. There will not be another opportunity. But you will not get this opportunity again. Do you understand? One missed meeting. We're not going to do 2 or 3 missed meetings. We're not going to get to absconder status again. You miss a meeting, I want to hear about it in an administrative hearing. There's going to be a motion to revoke and you're going to go to jail.